What's going on YouTube? This is Jabber Tech, and today we're going to take a look at a dash cam, and this is a pretty affordable dash cam at that. It runs about $40 on Amazon. I'll leave the link in the description below, but let's check out this dash cam together. There are a few things on the box worth mentioning, and one is a G-sensor, and what a G-sensor means is if the camera detects that you've been in a collision, it'll automatically save that file and prevent it from being overridden. High definition video, so this is a full HD 1080 recording. You have an advanced chipset. You have this wide angle lens which offers 170 degrees worth of viewing angle. You have loop recording, so basically it just keeps recording and recording forever. And then you have motion detection. So when that's enabled, say you're parked in a parking lot, if it notices there's a lot of movement or the car shakes, it'll start recording automatically. That's a cool feature to have as well. So let's see what we get in the box together. So it does say dash cam. It is FCC and CE, so it should be a pretty good product. And right off the bat, this thing is tiny. This is definitely not going to be intrusive in any way, sitting on your windshield. And it does have a very nice matte feel to it. So really nice. Let's see what else we get in the box here. You have your instruction manual. We might have to refer to that later. There's your suction cup. And of course we have our cigarette lighter. And this is a pretty long cord. No doubt this is at least 10 feet. But let's take a look at this camera and see how it clips in all together. All right, so as you see, it has a mechanism here where you just slide in the camera, just like so. This will not hinder your view in any way while you're driving. Let's take a look at this camera. On the front, you have this nice 2-inch LCD screen. Looking at the side of the device, you have your micro SD card slot, and the maximum capacity for this is 32 gigabytes. You have your power button here. On the back is where you'll find your wide angle 170 degree Sony sensor, and it's capable of recording in full HD 1080p. Then you also have your microphone right there as well. If you choose to display this on another monitor, you have your HD out port here. On the top of the device, you have two ports. One is the mini USB port, so that's for charging and also video extraction if you don't want to take the card out. Then you also have this AV port on the top, but according to the manual, it says it's for an external GPS. AV to me stands for audio video, but I really don't know. And then looking at the camera's software, it's very simple, very easy to navigate through all the settings. You're not going to have any issues setting this up. Really simple. You can change the resolution of the camera. You can also change the maximum time for recording. That's from 2 minutes up to 5 minutes. And then you also have this WDR mode, and that supposedly helps for night driving. So it makes night shots a lot clearer. Talking about video quality, let's get into some samples. Some will be sped up, some will be regular speed just so you can see it. And then at the end of the samples, I'll give you my thoughts on this. I set this camera up under my rearview mirror. Looks pretty good here. So let's get into this video and check it out together. How are you, Sue? Good morning. Thank you. Alright guys, so we're going to test out this audio quality as we enter the Dingman's Bridge. And this bridge separates Pennsylvania from New Jersey. Really cool bridge. Still one of the last privately owned bridges. you've seen the video samples. Let me know what you think about this in the comments below. But my experience with this camera has been very positive. I think the daytime shots were excellent, very clear. The nighttime shots were also super clear, really legible. Street signs were very easy to read, as well as license plate numbers when you got close to the car, which is what you need. And overall, I'm really satisfied with this camera. It definitely gave me a complete view of the entire road and highway, whatever I was on. Not to mention the audio quality was also excellent on this little camera. I think this is a great device to have, especially if you're going on road trips and you want to document your travels. This would be an excellent way to do so. Really nice quality that you'll be able to share later on with family and loved ones. So let me know what you guys think about it. I appreciate you watching. Thumbs up, subscribe if you enjoy the content. And thanks again. I'll catch you next time.